The two states which, frankly speaking, are beautiful, culturally rich, and which have the resources, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. Turn them around. Bharat will see greater strides towards progress on an overall level. One, because of the sheer size and the scale of the population. I've not had the good fortune of going to Bihar, in fact. But everyone who's been there says, what a green and beautiful state. Bureaucracy, they're fantastic. Engineering, they're bloody good at it.
Yeah, probably the most high IQ community.
Exactly, they're among the best.
You need to go and find that high IQ when you interact with them.